There may be times when, even if you're working mainly in the web modeler, you need to use the desktop modeler to add a feature or to try to fix a problem. I'm going to show you a good way to go ahead about syncing things. You may be tempted, as I was moments ago, to open up the modeler you already have, but if there's been an upgrade to the version in the web modeler, you may need to fix things. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to, from Workspaces, we're going to open up our browser. And we're going to go to Mendix.com. And from within, and it's important that you use the browser in your Windows environment, I'm going to go to Apps. I'm going to find the one I want to work with. And I'm going to, in this case, the Brewery app, and I'm going to choose Edit in Desktop Modeler. And now, the project you were trying to open was created with Mendix Modeler, which could not be found. So in this case, there's been an upgrade that's shown up in the web modeler. So now I can click to download the latest version. So the latest version is now 7.19.0. I'm going to save that file. Once it's downloaded, we're going to open the installer. Go through the setup. Okay, we're going to launch it. The Brewery 2 app is the one I'm looking for. It's actually already downloaded because it says main line. So I can click open. When I downloaded it, it was in the old version. As we go to sync with the web modeler, I'm going to need to convert it. Now I can go to Project, More Versioning, Sync with Web Modeler. I have to commit changes first. Okay. So Project, always good to do an update first. And then Project, Commit. First step in syncing with Web Modeler. Not so clear what the change was in this version. A lot of times if you're doing this kind of syncing, you're just going to do the commit. Now I can try the more versioning again. Do sync with Web Modeler. All right. Under some circumstances, you would take your time and you would be very careful to review things. Right now, where we're trying to just get things synchronized, I'm going to go ahead and do more versioning and do the finish sync. And it comes up with merge changes. Now that this is done, there are a number of things you could do. One thing you could do is make some changes and then do another sync to push it back to the web modeler. The other thing I'm going to do here is simply deploy it to the cloud. I was having some trouble with deploying from the web modeler, and my experiment is going to be to see if this can actually fix it. So that's how you do the sync, and let me know if you have any suggestions or feedback.